Introducing Greet, the smart doorbell from Zmodo that's easy to set up and easy to use. Answer your door from anywhere. See who's there and talk to them through your smartphone.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Receive video clip motion alerts on your phone, even when somebody doesn't ring the doorbell. You can also record a voice message to play for visitors when you can't or don't want to answer the door. Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent. Missing a call doesn't mean missing a visitor. With Greet's built-in storage, you can replay several weeks' worth of recorded clips from motion alerts and missed visitors. Greet lets you create alert schedules to choose when you are notified, and you can even turn off your chime for a peaceful night. Greet by Zmodo. Before we begin, first turn off the power to your doorbell. Unscrew your existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect it from the two wires. Make sure you leave these two wires exposed. Next, we need to take Greet's mounting bracket off. First, loosen the security screw, then slide the bracket down and off of Greet. Now, align the bracket against the wall, feeding the wires through its center opening. Make sure the bracket is level, then mark the screw holes. When mounting on brick, concrete, or stucco, use the provided screws with anchors. When mounting on wood or vinyl, anchors are not required. Since we're installing on stucco, after removing the mounting bracket, we'll drill holes about the same size as the wall anchors. Tap in the wall anchors with a hammer, and then screw the bracket into place, making sure the two wires are fed through the center opening. After the bracket is secure, fasten the two wires to the terminals on the bracket, ensuring each wire is making contact with the metal plating around the terminal. You can attach either wire to either terminal, but make sure they are not touching each other. Now we can restore power to the doorbell and slide Greet onto its mounting bracket. Push Greet on firmly and slide downwards to mount it. You'll see that Greet's light starts blinking green now that it's attached to power. Tighten the security screw back into place with the provided screwdriver so that Greet is securely attached to its mounting bracket. Once Greet is powered on and blinking green, it's ready to connect. Download the Zmodo app from the App Store or Google Play and sign up for a free account or log into your existing Zmodo account. Press the plus icon on the home screen to add a new device. Select Wireless Device and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter the password to your Wi-Fi network and wait as SmartLink connects Greet for you. You will then be prompted to name your Greet, set its time zone, and set a specific password for it if desired. And that's it! Your Greet is ready to go. You can now access live view, receive calls and motion alerts, and explore Greet's settings to set schedules, record messages, and more.
Home is a reflection of who you are, your personality, your taste, your style. Now Honeywell has developed a complete line of wireless door chimes that lets your personality shine through. Welcome home to Honeywell. At Honeywell, we're always looking for ways to make life better for our customers. For instance, door chimes. Honeywell has conducted extensive consumer research to develop a truly best-in-class portfolio of chime options. including improved style and appearance, added security, and sound options. For the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a brief look at all of the new options Honeywell offers for chimes, the voice of your home. The Honeywell Advantage? Sound. Some chime models include customizable tune options that reflect your personal taste. With customizable pre-recorded CD quality sound cards, you can change your chime tune to match the spirit of the season. Celebrate the traditional holidays. Appreciate Halloween. Salute sports. And more. Or you can even download your own songs of your choice. It's a unique way to greet your guests. Another Honeywell advantage, portability. If you spend a lot of time on the deck, outside in the yard, or in various areas of a multi-level home, a Honeywell wireless portable unit goes where you go. Our unmatched range of up to 450 feet assures you'll be alerted whether you are in your home or yard. An optional flashing indicator light is perfect for use in a home with napping little ones, for alerting those with hearing disabilities, or with home offices. The Honeywell Advantage also means style. Honeywell door chimes and push buttons come in a variety of designs, including wood grains that can be painted or stained to match your color scheme, or decorative glass and metal options. Your Honeywell chimes can easily match the look you desire and really accent your style, not detract from it. And as always, the Honeywell Advantage means security. In addition to all of the custom features offered for your chimes, Honeywell has security options including motion detectors and door contacts. Add wireless motion detectors to your pool area, front entrance, or security gates to detect activity. Or add door contacts to secondary doors and entrances, and any other special areas that you want to monitor for security. Honeywell's expanded line of wireless door chimes are truly a reflection of your taste, your style, and your personality, with more features than ever before, all backed by Honeywell's unmatched service. Accent your home and protect your family with help from one of the most recognized brand names in the world, Honeywell. For more information on the style and features available, visit our website at yourhome.honeywell.com. Welcome home to Honeywell Door Chimes.
Zatotech's StarPoint collection of wireless doorbells is an incredibly affordable way to keep your home or office space safe and secure. Our StarPoint system is a configurable and expandable doorbell system that can easily add on 20 or more extra receivers, transmitter buttons, motion sensors, and door sensors. With StarPoint, you can custom build your own system that fits your particular needs. Set your large home or office up with the best doorbell system, and you'll always be alerted no matter what room you're in. The pairable technology is easy to use and allows you to mix and match L-series components easily with one or multiple receivers. Receivers can be configured to ring with different chimes so that you know which transmitter was triggered. This is a very convenient feature if you have multiple doorway entries. No matter what the size of your home or office is, Zatotech has you covered. Stay alert with StarPoint.